Welcome to my noun-pronoun agreement worksheets. Check out this excerpt from the training video I did for the New York City Department of Education. I also have just a short activity on verb tense, right? Because a lot of our students have trouble switching verb tenses. And then I go into noun-pronoun agreement and then subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement includes a couple of difficult situations we go over with simpler sentences, but then we also talk about how do you have subject-verb agreement when you have a collective noun as the subject, right? Collective nouns sound like they're plural, but they're really singular, like a group, assembly, committee, club. And then the other tricky situation with subject-verb agreement that I cover is situations where the verb comes before the subject in the sentence. Like down Main Street were 20 oak trees, right? So the were comes first, trees is actually the subject of that sentence. And lastly, I cover parallelism, which a lot of my students are unfamiliar with, and it's difficult, but we work on that together. Thanks for viewing my description of my noun-pronoun agreement worksheets. If you like what you've seen here, please click and subscribe to my channel. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but my web guy told me it's a thing.